So we all have that one bottle that just didn't quite live up to the hype of what we thought it was going to be.
For us, it's Bad Bull and, unfortunately, Figenza.
So let's see if today's recipe can redeem Figenza Fig Vodka.
So soon. Intro.
So we're right in the middle of our 30-day challenge. 30 videos in 30 days.
So we're rounding up at the end of Vodka Week.
And let's see if today's recipe can save this vodka for us.
Let's crack into it.
So I'm going to be making the recipe for me and Kareem. So I'm going to double up on everything. So make sure you see the recipe down in the description below to get, the recipe for one person if you decide to make this for yourself. First thing you're going to do is get 1 ounce of fig vodka for one person, 2 ounces for 2 people. Then you're going to get your pineapple juice. Once again, 1 ounce for one person, 2 ounces for 2 people. And we're going for 2 right now. And last but not least, we get our Chambord. Is that how you pronounce this?
Sure.
Chambord, which is a raspberry liqueur. Once again, for one person, half an ounce. For 2 people, we're going to do a full ounce. This sounds like it'd be French in origin, but I don't speak French, so I can't pronounce it.
Chambord.
That was your best Parisian?
Chambord.
That's even worse. So then, don't forget your ice. Shake it up. Get your shot glasses and your strainer, and let's pour this bad boy out. All right, let's try out the shots. Kareem clinks.
Cheers.
Cheers. Smell the bad boy.
Okay.
I don't get much of an odor.
You know.
Kind of, maybe the flavors blend well together, but I get a minor hint of the pineapple.
Yeah. A little fruity. All right.
All right, let's try it out. Cheers. Okay. Weird flavor profiles.
Yes.
To me, this definitely redeemed the vodka.
Is it the comeback like Bad Bull? No. But
it tastes better.
Yeah.
It tastes better than by itself.
It's workable.
Yeah. And the oddest part for me, it has like an apple flavor. You get that?
Crisp. Kind of sweet.
Yeah, but to me, it actually tastes like apple. I don't know if it's the combination of maybe the Chambord.
And the pineapple.
It could be, but it has a weird apple aftertaste to me. Brew scale, 1 to 5, Kareem. What do you give the French Martini shot?
I'm going to give it a 3.
3, mid-range. So let us know down in the comments below if you agree with the score, if you tried this, or if you're a fan of the regular cocktail, because remember, we scaled this down for a shot.
So make sure you hit the notification bell to get notified on our next video.
What's coming up next, Kareem? We're going on to week 3.
Week 3 is going to be rum.
So stay tuned. Like, share, comment,
and subscribe.
And on that note, peace out, everybody.
Stay fly. Oh, am I supposed to?
Yeah, we still got to do the whole intro, the whole beginning.
Yeah. Okay. It's rounding off near the end of Vodka Week. Vodka Week.
Kareem's Transylvanian. In half, but the description for the recipes can be down below. Let me start that part over. Mid-range. Make sure you write down in the comment below, letting us. Yeah.